I'm one of 13 from this village, Lotofaga. I left this village to go to New Zealand more than 38 years ago. And while I was over in New Zealand, I dreamt of having a resort on this very land. We want to offer something authentic, and to be authentic you got to live it, and you find that here in Lotofaga because we're building it in the village, so we want the tourists to come and see our village.
We don't want it to be just an accommodation spot for people. We want people to come and stay with us and sleep in the whaliō, but be out in the village and enjoy the experience offerings that we have available. We decided to support our village as much as we can. We wanted to identify families that could do with the financial assistance and being able to coordinate the pomuli from those homes, the blinds for the whaliō. We have a lot of the whalas or the mats made by the Women's Committee, and particularly the gift shop. It's really been a collaborative effort to make sure that this has a strong community feel and atmosphere about our place. Most of the people that have come to us, they like that they can go in our canoe and go through the mangroves, or help collect the kapisi or the watercress to help with the evening meal. We have mangrove tours, we have horses available to ride. Also, climbing the coconut tree has provided a lot of entertainment for us here on site too. When guests come to Samoa, we know that they are coming on a tropical holiday. When you come to Vai Villas, we know that you will leave Samoa having an authentic Samoan village experience. All you need to do is look at vaivillasamoa.com.